In the heart of Kalamazoo, Michigan, amidst the turmoil of joblessness, homelessness, and a global pandemic, a man named Roosevelt Lee-Fleming, affectionately known as Drip, began an exceptional journey. This journey was not only about business success, but also about a father's unwavering dedication to shaping his son's future. From a young age, between the cross-spectrum of Benton Harbor, Michigan, and Tacoma, Washington, Drip expressed his individuality through a unique medium: sneaker cleaning, repair, and restoration. This passion eventually became the cornerstone of his business venture. In the year 2019, he founded the Drip Sneakers. What began as a modest startup evolved into a thriving enterprise. His resilience fueled by affirmations, Drip weathered the storm of homelessness and financial instability. His meticulous work in sneaker restoration set him apart. Recognizing the diversity of tastes, Drip expanded his venture into women's fashion, transforming his business into a one-stop shop. Starting a business in the midst of a pandemic and homelessness was a daring feat, but Drip saw opportunities in uncertainty. His journey into entrepreneurship was marked by financial management, seizing opportunities, and teaching resourcefulness. Drip's inventive ways to acquire Air Jordans sparked his sneaker journey, and his collection soon became a strategic asset for business growth. Guided by the wisdom of his mentors, Miss Betty and Debbie Howe, Drip expanded his business globally while remaining true to his roots in Kalamazoo. It was a viral social media post just a couple years prior, showcasing his work that sparked inquiries and orders, which ultimately began to help his business grow and expand. Despite expanding into women's apparel, sneaker restoration remained at the heart of his venture, emphasizing his dedication to craftsmanship. Rare sneakers were recognized as investments, amplifying Drip's reputation. Symbolizing empowerment and social responsibility, the Maya Moore Air Jordan sneakers became a cornerstone of his collection. Despite facing homelessness, Drip's unwavering perseverance was driven by his commitment of stabilizing his son's future. Recognizing his living situation as temporary, Drip's experiences instilled in him a deep empathy for the homeless, leading him to offer community support. His time in prison served as a transformative period, inspiring him to mentor young minds. With the blessed opportunity to be a part of United Way's Small Business Cabinet, as well as the unprecedented nonprofit organization, Kalamazoo Housing Advocates. These are just a few of the methods Drip exercises in giving back to his community. His parents' guidance played a pivotal role in shaping his path toward business success. With an unwavering vision of success, Drip envisions future expansions. He aims to pass on his knowledge, aspiring to train others in sneaker restoration. Drip's journey serves as a beacon of hope, inspiring perseverance in the face of adversity. His legacy extends beyond sneakers and fashion. It includes mentorship, community support, and inspiring the youth. The Drip Sneakers LLC stands as a symbol of resilience and self-belief. It serves as an inspiration, not just to Kalamazoo, but to anyone who dares to dream. Drip insists it's by the grace of God as the reason behind his success, and ultimately serves a testament to the possibilities that can emerge from the most unlikely circumstances.